Again, Your Honor, the withdrawal from the Rome Statute on the ICC, Your Honor, has effectively or will effectively withdraw further
You trust
remedies.
foreigners to rule on crimes more than this Supreme Court and our lower courts?
Your Honor, if there is an inability to bring cases before the
Yes,
courts,
is
Your
there
Honor,
an inability? We go around in circles. What is the situation now? Is there an inability of our trial courts? You tell us, because we are here in the Supreme Court.
The courts are
Magsumbong ka.
open.
Is there inability of our trial courts to attend to human rights cases?
there is no inability, Your
No
Honor.
inability. Is there an unwillingness of our courts to attend to human rights cases?
Not with the courts, Your Honor.
Not with the courts. So, again, what is the right that was violated? What is the prerogative that was violated? As a matter of fact, there is reverse complementarity in 9851. Is that not correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
Where is it found? Chapter 8, Section 17. Correct?
Yes, sir.
In the interest of justice, the relevant Philippine authorities may dispense with investigation or prosecution and give it to another court or an international tribunal. Correct?
That's correct, Your Honor.
So, isn't this unconstitutional by itself?
I would,
Crespo versus Mogul, whenever a trial court already has jurisdiction, it maintains that jurisdiction. Here, it appears to say, walang kwenta pag Filipino court. An American serviceman is caught committing a crime. If there is a court in the United States already seized of that, our Philippine courts must give way according to this. Correct?
that's correct, Your Honor.
Reverse complementarity. Correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
So, in other words, there is here a statement that our judiciary is second class to the International Tribunal and to other courts.
I wouldn't want to speculate on that, Your Honor.
Because it is not, correct?
Yes, Your
Because
Honor.
your judiciary can be able, correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
Can be enabled, correct?
That's correct,
Can
Your Honor.
improve and become more efficient, correct?
That's correct,
And the
Your Honor.
better that it will become more efficient so that we will have to rely on ourselves, correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
That's self-determination, correct?
That's correct,
That
Your
is
Honor.
sovereignty, correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes. And